Hi everyone, back again. Time to do the windows on the back of the van. Need a bit of extra lighting there with us making it into like a seated living space towards the back doors, so here we go with the windows. Hopefully weather's going to stay with us. We'll get it done today. So this is the area we're going to put the glass in. So what I'm going to do first of all is cut off around here to keep this all in line, so that I can then cut about 10mm up and fit this to the outside skin, which is just the the cover bead. Now I'm going to cap it up to there, fold it down and then trap it with on the outside skin with that to give us a nice neat finish. Right, so that's them cut out. So now I've got a decent edge. So now what I've just taped a bit of the trim to that, to a Sharpie, just so that I can draw my edge as a bit of a guide to work to. Once I've drawn around that, I'm just going to cut to this inside line, and then the trim, which is a bit of that that's on the end of the pen, will just sit in there nicely. The carpet will fold over there and just give it a neat edge. Right, we've got the box with all the bits that we need for this. Our adhesive, some wipes for the glass and primer, and nozzles. First thing we've got to do is get the glass unpacked, get it cleaned off, and then get some primer on it, let that dry. Same on the back of the van, get that prepped up. I've just cleaned the edges up with a file, and then this is a bit of black paint, but I don't matter what colour it is. Just seal the edges in so that they don't rust, and get about ready to get on with getting the glass in.